Hi pickers, welcome back. This is Monkey Lockpicks, and first of all I just want to say sorry to each and every one of you for not being able to be in touch with you and upload videos in the last 3 months. But I've been a little bit sick, something like a couple of months ago, 3 months ago, and for something like 1 month I've struggled a little bit with my health. Nothing too crazy, but I wasn't in good health, so I've had to put on standby. Everything was lock sport related, but well, now I'm really fine. I feel really good, and everything's okay. So I'm back and ready to rock. And the second thing and the main reason for I haven't uploaded any video in the last 2 months is because I'm now the proud dad of my little boy, and well, as you can imagine, I'm so happy. I'm really on. Well, I have no words to describe how cool this feeling is. I'm already the proud dad of my 3.5 daughter, and well, this is a complete new journey for me, and as you can imagine, I have really short time to spend with my own hobbies. And well, if I'm going to be out for a while in the next month, don't worry, it's just because I'm with my kids, so I think you can imagine. And the last thing I want to say is I haven't forget you guys which were in touch with me for some kind of trades. I'm talking about the one with Albert Lebel, the one with Funky Monkey, and some other guys. But my email account has made some mess with the last backups, so I've lost some emails and it's just too messy. So please send me an email with your full address, name, surname, and all that kind of stuff, and say to me which was the trade we was about to do, so I can figure out what I have to send to each and every one of you. I've already bought some really cool locks for you. I'm working on some challenge locks, so please email me at monkeylockpicks@gmail.com, and I will be in touch with you as soon as possible. Okay, now I have for you one crazy thing to show today, and this is the ultimate lockpick handle material you will ever need for the for the low range handles. Okay, nothing fancy like wooden handles or brass handles. And this stuff is the polymorph. These are plastic granules, as you can see, and you have to put these granules into boiling hot water, and then they mold. They became transparent, and you can mold them around the lockpick handles, and well, something like this, really flexy, really uncomfortable to hold in your hands, becomes something like this. As you can see, it's not too thick. I want to compare it with a wooden handle lockpick. So as you can see, pretty much the same thickness, around 1 centimeter. And the shape is, well, when it's when it's still hot but not too hot, you can grab it in your hands and shape it around your fingers, and it's really comfortable to hold. You can choose the length and which you prefer, and as you can see, it's really strong. I'm trying to bend it, but as you can see, it bends just really little bit. You can sand it, you can paint it, you can do whatever you want. It's a really cool material. And well, if you are into lockpick making just like I am, this is also cool to experimenting with new shapes, new thicknesses, the length of the handle and all that kind of stuff. And it works really well. It gives a nice feedback because it's really solid, it's rock hard, as you can hear. And well, let's give this lockpick a try. I'm going to try to pick for you a lock which is an EMTEK 5-pinner. This is the bitting, and it has been pinned by the glorious Dan Brass. Okay, I've already tried to pick this lock a couple of times, and it took me really long time, and I don't want to bother you with a 45 minutes video or that kind of things. So let's stop the video right now and see you here with the right attempt when I'm able to pick this lock. Wait just a minute. Okay, here we are. Let's go on to the lock. Okay, this is a nice angle. It looks like it's in focus, so oh well. The 5-pinner, I want to show you. This is not okay. There's a little bit of a paracentric keyway. It works really well. Okay, now let's try to pick it. This is the first attempt on camera, and let's see if it's the right one or not. Okay, pin number 5 already gives me a little bit of counter rotation, and the same thing for pin number 4. Little bit of false set running. Pin number 3. Number 2. Number 1 has a really low cut, so again pin number 4. Pin number 4 is not too crazy. No. Now pin number 5, I feel it really low, and I know from the beating is a really high cut. So okay, nothing else. Let's check back again from pin number 5. I think pin number 3 dropped back down. So, and here we are. Okay, this was super quick pick. I'm a little bit surprised, and well, let's see what's inside of this lock. Okay, as you can see, 5-pinner. Lock it back. Okay, pinning tray. Okay, let's see if I'm able to use this tool. I don't think it's the right size. So let's go the old-fashioned way. I hate these things. Come on. I see a lot of you guys doing this kind of gutting really easily, but I struggle a lot. Okay. Good. Okay, plate, pin, and the spring. Okay. Just like that. First the key. Turn it just like that. Wait. First, I have to shim it because I don't want to mess this lock. Okay, and let's go. Great. So, little sneak peek. Whoa. Okay, so pin number 1. Multiple spools with serrations in a threaded chamber. Number 2, same thing. Number 3, a T-pin spool with serrations. Multiple. Oh my god, this is actually a pin in pin, I think. Let's wait a minute. And another serrated T-pin. Every chamber is threaded, as you can see. Well, this pin is a crazy pin in pin, as you can see. Okay, just a quick look at the key pins. Crazy things. Awesome. Now let's go ahead and see what's upstairs. Maybe you can hear my little guy screaming upstairs. I think he's gonna be a great heavy metal singer when he will be older. Okay, double spool with serrations and a copper spring in chamber 1. A huge super long serrated with another copper spring in chamber 2, sorry. Chamber 3, another, this is a spool with serrations and a copper spring. Number 4, serrated, and another little copper spring, and the last one a progressive spool. That's awesome, with a torpedo-like shape and another copper spring. Okay, the Bible is perfectly untouched, and also the chambers inside are nice and smooth, so no modifications on the Bible. Okay, let's take a closer look to this awesome pins. Okay, maybe some more lightning. Oh, okay, I think you can see them. This is an awesome lock. Thank you, Dan Brass, for sending this lock to me. It will be my pleasure to make this lock travel a little bit around the community. So thank you everyone for watching, and hope to see you very soon. Bye guys.